And so you can see from what I have written down that it's making it easy. I'm planning it out. I have my breakfast, I have my lunch, I have my dinner, I have my snacks. I know what I'm eating every single day, so there's no question about it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm taking you guys on a grocery shopping haul with me. Now today I'm going to walk you guys through the process of how I write my list out, what I purchased during my Daneil Fast. I may even give you guys an example of one of the meals that I eat, because the Daneil Fast is not about the food, but you want to make sure that you prepare and have the food ready that you need when it comes to doing a Daneil Fast. So you guys, I'm up here up close and personal. We're gonna do some vlogging today. I need to pick my son up. So before we go to the grocery store and before we write the list, I'm gonna go pick my son up from school. I am going to show you guys how I plan my meals out. Now you can use this in your day-to-day life. You can use this for the Daneil Fast. If you struggle with meal planning and meal prep, this will probably help you, because this is what I do before I go grocery shopping, so that I know exactly what I'm going to buy. It saves me money, but I also know which meals I'm gonna eat before I start the Daneil Fast. And that part is the biggest part. When you're doing a Daneil Fast, you want to have your meals ready, because if you don't, then that's when you start to grab chips. That's when you start to grab those quick foods that's just in your house, your kids' fruit snacks. And you start eating things like that because your meals are not planned and prepped ahead of time. So if you are ready to see what this process looks like, if you are ready to learn exactly what you need to do to get prepared and ready for the Daneil Fast, come along with me, because it's gonna be a vlog. But first, I need to pick my son up from school. Hello.
Hello. Bye.
Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm back in my office, and I'm about to tell you guys the easiest way for you to get your list right for the Daneil Fast. Now this part is very important, because you don't want, so this part is very important. Clearly the notification let us know that this part is very important, but this part is very important because if you don't have a list, if you don't write it down, if you don't plan it out, like a lot of people fail, and I'm not gonna say fail, but a lot of people feel as if they don't keep up or they don't finish the Daneil Fast because they accidentally ate some foods, they ate some snacks. But the way that you prevent this from happening is that you prepare ahead of time. So I want to show you guys my handy dandy workbook. You guys know I have a lot of workbooks, but this one right here, the 10-day Daneil Fast companion guide. Listen, if you do not have this, I recommend that you get it. It is everything that you need. It is going to give you everything. Let me just show you. I'm talking breakdown of my Daneil Fast grocery list. And this is breaking down everything that's approved for the Daneil Fast. So it's not just your typical grocery list where you can fill in the blanks for meat and fish and produce or whatever. Like, this is specifically for the Daneil Fast. It's what's on the approved list. Something else that we have that really helps a lot of people, and I'm gonna give you guys this one. I'm gonna show you guys this one, but I typically don't show what's inside of it. But you can see here, it has our reflection. That's all you get to see. But it has our daily reflection, and every day from days 1 to 10, you have a daily reflection where you sit with God. He begins to speak to you. You begin to hear God clearly. But not just that. This is the part that I really focus on during the Daneil Fast. This right here. This one gives you the breakdown of how to plan your meals out, from breakfast, lunch, dinner, to snacks, to how you're feeling for the day. Like, it really breaks it down. So what I do is, I already know on each day what I'm going to eat. So there's no surprise. For me, I make this 3-bean chili that I'm talking about, and I just eat on that every day, whether it's for lunch, dinner. I don't really care, because I don't want to be so wrapped up in preparing meals. And that's the thing. If you make things that are easy to eat, easy to warm up, just quick and easy meals when you're on a Daneil Fast, you can spend more time with God. That's how you get the breakthrough. That's how you get to the point of where you are seeing shifts and breakthroughs and changes in your life, because you're actually actively seeking God and spending time with Him so that He can get the information to you. But let's get into how I plan my meals out. Okay, so here's an example of how the workbook works and how I do my meals. So you can see here, for breakfast, I'm eating vegan breakfast hash. For lunch, 3-bean chili, and then for dinner, mushrooms with onions, baked potato, corn on the cob. My snacks for the day will be water, popcorn, and fruit. And so let's switch back. I'm going to show you guys. And so you can see from what I have written down that it's making it easy. I'm planning it out. I have my breakfast, I have my lunch, I have my dinner, I have my snacks. I know what I'm eating every single day, so there's no question about it. And so that's why I say this Daneil Fast companion guide gives you everything that you need. So now I'm gonna show you how I create my grocery list based on the ingredients that I need from the meals that I plan on doing, or the meals that I plan on eating throughout the week. All right, and you can see here that everything is broken out. So I'm losing light right now. It's getting pretty dark outside, so hopefully it looks okay on camera, but I know what I'm eating every day of the week. I'm not gonna give you guys a long detailed explanation of it. Just know that what we did earlier when we took each day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and now I know what the meals are, so now I'm gonna break down the recipes. So if I'm eating vegan chili or something like that, I'm gonna say for this recipe I need beans, I need corn, I need this, and I'm gonna break it down in what I just showed you there. I'm gonna break it down into items because it makes it easier when I go shopping, and it helps me save money because now I'm just not buying things that I don't need. So it makes it easier for me because I know I have the ingredients that I need to make sure I can prepare the meals that I want. And I wanted to really break this down for you guys. I hope that it makes sense. Okay guys, so we are at the grocery store and it is so crowded and it is so packed. And we are about to go in and get our groceries that we need. I have my handy dandy workbook here because I already wrote everything out, and I'm just gonna go down the aisles. It's already separated, and I'm gonna use this to speed up my shopping trip to get back home and get back going.
Yes, I want you to subscribe.
What? You need strawberries or no?
Yeah.
I think I still have Brussels sprouts. And let's see the ingredients.
Bye-bye, didn't eat what I wanted.
Bye, baby. Wash away.
Okay, I see you when we get home.
Okay, you guys, so I'm so tired, but I'm hiding in my basement right now to record this. We just came back from the grocery store, so I'm getting ready to show you guys what, as a matter of fact, let's just go. I'm in my basement. I'm getting ready to show you guys what we bought. Okay, so you guys may hear my son in the background playing Minecraft, but this is everything I bought for my first week on the fast. You can see spinach. I make this amazing mango spinach smoothie. I'm gonna send this recipe to you guys in an email. So if you haven't joined my email list, download the workbook freebie, and I'm sending out recipes. The link is in the description box. So make sure you download it to get more recipes while you're on the fast. Peppers, cuties, tortilla chips, salad, tomatoes. I already have some mushrooms in the refrigerator, but I'll probably eat more mushrooms than this, but mushrooms, mango because it goes with the smoothie, grapes, you can see here corn, and I like to make this vegan chili or this 3-bean chili that I've been talking about, either or. I want to show you guys how I make it just so you can get an idea of something that you can just make in advance and just eat on it throughout the entire week. That's what I do. Another salad here, pistachios, sunflower seeds, sweet potatoes, avocado, and you guys may hear my son in the background. This is a vlog, it is what it is. Olive oil, so you can see, you see everything that's here. So Daneil Fast is 10 days. This will probably last me about 7 days, maybe more. I like to eat, look y'all, I eat a lot of tomatoes if you can't tell. Like, I am addicted to tomatoes right now. But this is everything. This is what we're working with for week 1. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how I make this. I think I'm gonna make this vegan chili. I want something that's a thicker texture, consistency. The 3-bean chili is more of like a soup, but the vegan chili is thicker. I really want to go with that for this week. So I'm about to make this vegan chili. I'm gonna make this because I want to eat this for lunch every day. If you still like, if you work a job and you want to take something with you, you can make something like this vegan chili. Put it in a bowl and you can eat it while you're at work and warm it up. Okay, you guys, so I'm about to walk you through this recipe. I'm excited because this is my first time just randomly doing it, but these are the ingredients that you will need. I have everything right here, and now I'm cutting up my onion. So with this recipe, this is the vegan chili that I'm talking about. This is the one that is thick, is hearty. I prefer a chili over a soup because I feel as if the chili keeps you full longer versus a soup where I'm hungry sooner. So this is chili. See, I'm cutting up my peppers. Now the recipe says carrots, but I don't want carrots in this. I put red pepper, and this is a cool trick. Like, look at this. Pop through the top, and then it opens up, and then you just open it up. I found this on TikTok, y'all. Thank me later. Let me say thank you in the comments. Or let me know if this is the first time that you ever saw that before. Let me know in the comments if you knew that. So I'm getting it started here. Putting in my olive oil. I use a pot like this size because I want to make it deep so I can stir it and fit everything in there. I want this to last me all week. I don't want to keep making food, so I'm going to eat this for lunch and dinner. Putting in my peppers first. And this part, when you mix this together, the peppers, the onions, and you put the seasoning in at this point, which I'm not going to show you all the seasoning and everything, but if you see me stirring, more than likely the seasoning are there. But if you mix it, it makes the flavor. Oh, here we go. I don't know what I'm thinking about going that close to it. Anyway, it makes the flavors so much more potent. So you see, I put all the seasoning on the peppers and the onion. So when I add the beans and everything, for some reason, it just has so much more flavor. So putting in the black beans, pouring everything in my pot, and then I'm going to put in my pinto beans. Beans keep me full longer, so that's why I say when you're on a Daneil fast, make meals with beans. That's kidney beans there. So if you add beans into it, more than likely you'll stay full longer, more satiated, and you won't have headaches. Tomato paste. Now this is what makes it like chili like. The tomato paste is the key ingredient that makes it turn from more of a soup to a chili. So I stir everything in, and it was a really thick texture at this point. Don't be alarmed. We're going to put the vegetable stock in. Oh, this is the best corn ever, you guys. If you have a Mariano's near you, get this super sweet corn from Mariano's. Thank me later. I got to show you again. Look, it was so good. I had to show you again. But you can see here, I'm putting it all in, and it's so thick, but it smells so good. I had COVID, so I don't have a sense of smell, but I can still smell this, and I can't smell, so you know it smells good. I'm putting in the vegetable stock, showing you guys which one it is. Not vegetable broth, but vegetable stock. Pouring 2 cups of this in my pot, and then I'm going to put some more in. Now it goes from that super thick texture to a more, chili consistency, but it still has to cook. So I put everything in, and you can see this is what it looks like right after I add the vegetable stock. And it just has to cook. So I let it cook for 20 minutes. And when I come back, let's see. This is what it looks like when I come back after 20 minutes. You can see it has that chili texture. It's thick. It tastes so good. The flavors are there. You can add more seasoning in once you get to the point at 20 seconds if you want to add more pepper or cumin or, But I'm going to put the recipe in the description box if you want to check it out and make it yourself. Okay, you guys. So it has been such a long day. You guys have been with me from making my list and going through everything, but it doesn't stop here. If you missed our other video about the Daneil fast and how to Daneil fast, I'm gonna have it pop up on the screen at some point in this video. Make sure you click that to learn more. I'm gonna send you to the playlist so you can do our full Daneil fast playlist, and from there you will learn everything that you need to know to have a successful Daneil fast. Don't forget, click the video that's up on the screen to learn more. Go through all the videos, binge watch them so that you can learn more about the Daneil fast, because I guarantee you that it will give you a breakthrough in your life. I'm getting ready to go to bed. I'm getting ready to put my son to bed. Like, what a day, you guys. But talk to you in the next video.